everybody! So we have just arrived at this Christmas they have so many free pop-up events all over Dubai, especially around the winter season and around Christmas. So we've just arrived at one of them and I'm so excited for this. We've missed like 3 or 4 already just because we've had other stuff going on, but yeah, I'm so excited to be here. They have a movie night happening and there's free popcorn and cotton candy and some arts and crafts. So yeah, let's do this thing. Hi. Are you ready? Are you ready, Poo-Poo? Don't sleep, huh? You will miss all the fun.
Just wants to sleep, babe.
Oh, okay, sleep then. What are you the most excited for, Mumu? Popcorn! Movies! And look, did you see the big trampoline?
No.
Wow, this place looks so cool. They're having some games, Lulu. You want to go join?
No.
No? Okay. Go put your shoes there by our things. Will you do this one with me? We sit together with the elves? What did you get from them? Can I see? Oh, it's a yummy cookie. You want it now or with the movie?
With the movie because it has lots of snacks.
Okay, cool. Let's keep going. You got to throw the rings on the... Good try! Good one, Momo. We need more practice, huh?
Because I was so close.
You were super close. All right, let's move on. What's next? What did you get from Saudi German, babe?
I didn't even get anything.
Why not?
They want to check the blood pressure and the sugar.
Why didn't you check?
Because I'm high blood pressure.
Because you live with me? Oh.
That was so close.
Super close. Go on. Oh, it bounced even. Oh, these are the crafts. Let's go see what they're doing. Oh, they're making like Christmas trees.
Can I try?
Yes, I think we can. Let's go find who's in charge. Here, this way. This way, Lulu. Yes, go on. Just wait till they're finished talking, then you can give them. Then you can ask them.
I hear the glow.
And remember to ask with Ate. Hi, Ate. Ate, can we take one?
Yes, madam.
Thank you.
Madams.
Madam. Oh, look, there's different colors you gotta stick on. Are you ready? Good job, Lulu. Wow, this is so cool. Christmas tree making.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We found the glitter. Cool. This is pretty amazing. Oh man, you can't see because of the light. But there is so much going on here. Wow. Please, let me see. This is so beautiful. It is a masterpiece, you clever chicken. Alright, you ready to go get some marshmallows? No, you cannot. Give it back to your friends, please. This is enough. Here you go, friends. No! Here you go.
We're gonna have some popcorn.
Yeah, let's go see.
Let's
Popcorn? Well, we've been having so fun. Daddy is still here in the line. How long has it been, you guys?
Like 10 minutes already.
I love you. You want to come with Mama? You want me to take her, babe? Angels. While we wait for popcorn. This is for Guya. Oh no, where you go?
Ow, 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 ow!
Oh, sorry, Guya.
Oh, you crushed my hair.
Fufu.
Almost.
Almost? Hooray! Hiya. Fufu. The popcorn is finally ready. Let's go. Oh, did you find your headband? Let's go! Popcorn is ready! Come on! Yeah! Come, Uppies! Uppies! Wow! Is this what you've been waiting for, Mumu?
Here.
Yay!
Take her. Just stay here. Wait here.
Wait for us, huh? Okay, guys, we all got our popcorn. Yummy. Mumu happy? Daddy happy? Popcorn and marshmallows with sauce. And we're just waiting for the movie to start. Okay, so the movie is taking forever to start. And there's a playground just next to this festival. And so that's where we're going to head right now. We'll play a little bit until the movie starts.
I'm a really good.
He's such a cool digger. Show me how you scoop. Okay, so you push it down like that. And then, oh, you scoop it. And you pull it up and you pour. Wow, it's so cool. This place is amazing. The movie just started. We're running to make it. Come, Mama. Okay, so the movie just started. I'm gonna end the video here. See you guys next time. Bye.